Hello everyone. This is going to be a remake of my 42-inch Hunter Stratford 244. What am I saying? Of my 42-inch Hunter Stratford 2 ceiling fan in brushed nickel. I got this fan out the trash a while back, and it had really bad bearings because it was installed outdoors. So I fixed the bearings and cleaned it up, fixed the blades, and now we got a perfect little fan. This is one of my favorite smaller Hunter fans. One of my uncle's old houses had 3 of these in it in this finish, and then 3 white Hunter Eclipses in it. I did like the Eclipses better because the globe was bigger and the vents looked different. So the Eclipse is probably my most wanted 44-inch fan. Haven't gotten one yet, but I have one of the 2 that I wanted. So this one was in a trash bin in my neighborhood, and whoever took it down took the first 2 screws off, but they left the last one on and just ripped the blade off. It's kind of lazy, but I mean, I still got the fan and fixed up the blades. The cherry wood side is a bit messed up on most of the blades, so that's why I chose the light oak, which I haven't cleaned yet. Here's the information. It's from 2005. And yeah. It's complete, surprisingly. The only thing it didn't have was the blade screws. But I just stole some from a Hunter Brighton. And what was I just saying? The mounting bracket is missing one of the grommets, but for this install, it only needs 2 of them. So it's working just fine right now. It's a little bit loose, but I don't really care. So I'll go ahead and show you the light. This 7-watt. I don't know what, I think that's a 40-watt replacement. 2 7-watt LEDs in it by Long Star. Got them at a thrift store. Look pretty good in it. Let's go ahead and start the fan up on low. So since the blades were torn off, the blade irons are bent up. I fixed them up okay. They're a lot better than they were, but it's still not the best. I don't really mind though. The wobble is minimal. And this won't be going in my bedroom anytime soon because it has rust all over it. And it's just not in the best shape. And also, it's summer, and I need a big, powerful 52-inch fan in there. I can put the weaker, smaller, or cheaper end fans in there in the winter because I don't need them as much. Let's see what this looks like with the camera light on. Oh yeah, it's much better. So there's that. I usually have a lamp in the corner back here, but I brought it outside to use. It's moving air. It is humming a little bit. This is when Hunters started to get cheap. So, early 2000s, they kind of started their fall off. And by 2015, it was over. Now they're just another crappy company. The parts are good quality, just the motors and performance is subpar. And show you the light on low. Now I can go ahead and put it on medium. Hunter claims that this is a wobble-free mounting system and that it's like supposed to be really sturdy. It's not really. I mean, it is different, and they still use it to this day, so it apparently works better. Well, it works better than the Hunter Westminster's mounting system. That was garbage. But it still wobbles. But not nearly as bad as I would think it would with how messed up the blades are. So there it is, wobbling away on medium. Moving air, moving good air. It's moving some stuff around on the floor, but I don't feel like taking the tripod off again. I am glad I was able to save this guy. It was a pretty fun little project. Change the bearings and recut the blades. Here's the light. Alright, let's put it up to high. It's silent. I'll give it that. Dead quiet. With the wobble. And a bull light. You're just ripping on high. Moving lots of air. I'll take you in for a close look. Here's where it's moving. Paper, tape, towels, pillow. Even back there, that stuff is moving. Working good. I like this fan. Piece of hair stuck on the camera lens. Showing you the light real quick before I shut it off. And I'll let it spin down. It doesn't have the best spin down because the bearings are brand new and need some run time. It's been running all day though on low. I need to just let it run on high for a while to get the bearings all worked out and whatnot. Spin down is literally less than 30 seconds. So. Yeah. The bearings need some running time. So. It's not stiff. They just like it's really free. They just haven't gotten used to it yet. So that's going to end the demonstration remake of my 44-inch Hunter Stratford ceiling fan and brushed nickel with new bearings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.